Welcome back, Storytimers. Today's read aloud is Kick It Like a Cricket by Viola Horne, illustrated by Marko Rop. Can you kick it like a cricket? Bow like a cow. Grab it like a rabbit. Stare like a bear. Can you wish like a fish? Leap like a sheep. Tiptoe like a hippo. Twirl like a squirrel. Can you tear it like a parrot? Box like a fox. Wiggle it like a piglet. Jog like a dog. Can you laugh like a giraffe? Toss 'em like a possum. Quake like a snake. And get funky like a monkey. Can you jam like a ram? Float like a goat. Croon like a baboon. Squirm like a worm. Can you dance like some ants? Toot like a newt. Hug like a bug. And moo like you. Moo. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.